Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com or subscribe to this channel. In addition to what is on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We are going to do a quick walkthrough of a Sullair 10 horsepower rotary screw compressor. This is a Sullair Model 6E10H rotary screw compressor. It is rated at 38 CFM at 125 PSI and has an 80-gallon air tank. The hour meter is original to the machine and reads 6,423 run hours. You do have manual and automatic modes. We have cycled this compressor half a dozen times without issue. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.